Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and my channel's name is Queen Chai Style, and today's video is going to be something very special to me. And yes guys, today is my birthday, that is June 4th. So yeah, I have received a gift from my sister which has been like something new for me to be used. From a very long time I wanted to use this, but then I was scared to use, so I did not purchase one. But then I knew that I am going to use it once in a while, but I didn't know that this soon. And yes guys, I have been gifted a gift which has been very special for me, and that is, okay, this brand is not sponsored, so it's just a cover which I've been received from my sister, and I'm so surprised and excited to use this. And yeah, this is the bottle of okay, so the gift is the contact lens. Yes, many of you guys will be using this from a younger age, but I was scared to use, and moreover I have a power on my eyes which is very less. So to get a proper power lens to my eyes was difficult, but then my sister found it somehow and she made it happen. So yeah, first ever time in my life I'm going to apply it on my eyes. So I wanted to let you guys know and share it with you guys, how am I going to feel and how am I going to do this. So yeah, even I'm excited, even I have no idea like how is this going to happen. So I have my lens in this bottle received, which the numbers have been written on the top, and this is my favorite color too. I hope this is going to suit me. It's hazel. So yeah, and with that I have also received a cap which is like not that good, like it's not written left and right. I have two different eye power, so for me this is like not the proper one, like left and right is not written over here. So yeah, so the first thing is like, let me open this. I know you guys cannot see that much of excitement on my face because this one I received yesterday. I'm just waiting for today to apply it in front of the camera, so I haven't opened this, but I'm very much excited to apply this, and I'm not sure whether this is going to work or not because I'm scared about it. People say that their eyes water and all, and I don't have a tool which they apply, so I have to apply it on my hands, which is, I don't know. And moreover, I don't know whether this one should be cleaned first or just apply it on the way, I don't know. So let's start up with the two. Okay, the first one, which is my right eye. So once I remove this, I get this, but how to open? Oh. I don't know how to open this. I think I have to watch a tutorial. For this I was just looking at the tutorial to how to remove this. Anyhow, this is come out, but now I have to remove the silver thing, so I'm using my tooth.
And then it's just a rubber pull top from there. Ta-da! Your contacts are ready to use.
But people who doesn't know about this, guys, first look at the tutorial and then open this, because yes, aa gaya. Here, it's opened. Okay, there is a solution and the lens inside. I'll transfer it into my container. So this is right. I'll keep it in the green side, right side. Okay, so the second one As you can see the mark over here, it should be removed from there. Pull it till the down and remove the silver part. Careful because it's too hard. Here you go. So this will be going to my right side. And this is the solution. You can also use this to wash your lens and to change the water. So now first of all I'm going to apply. So first let me apply the right one. First ever time, guys. I'm shivering. Okay. Look at the lens. I'm so scared. It's not touching. गिर जा रहा है, गिर जा रहा है, गिर जा रहा है. Oh my god. टच ही नहीं हो रही है. If it gets attached to my white or anywhere in my eyes, then I can move my lens. I don't know what is the trick. इसका ट्रिक क्या है मुझे भी नहीं पता है. So I'm again dipping it into the water, I mean solution. So the trick was to look straight and place it. Yes, I wore it for the whole day and I removed it in front of you guys. So when I was removing, I just thought of recording it with you guys, just to give my experience with this. I am again and again saying to my sister Manj, once again, thank you so much, Manj, for gifting me this wonderful gift, and it's like dream come true for me. I was wanting to wear it from a very longer time, but then it's something very difficult. Like, our parents would not let us wear, and they used to feel like it's something different which you are going to apply it in our eyes, whereas everyone does it. But still, personally, I wanted to do it, and I'm done with this. And the whole day I was in my lens. So after that, while removing, I just thought of taking up my camera and letting you guys know about it. This is kind of a vlog, or I don't know, it's just like sharing my feelings with you guys. If you say it, if you call it as vlog, then it is vlog. If not, it's just a video. I don't know, but then I'm so happy about this. Anyways, from morning till it's night now, like around 8 o'clock or something it is. So the whole day I was in the lens, and it was not at all irritating. It was just normal as it was. There's nothing different, guys. And thank you so much for being a part of my life, so that I can at least talk to you guys and tell you everything. Like, I'm happy, sad, whatever it is, I'm so happy to share it with you guys. Do let me know in the comment section if you guys also like it, and bye. मैं तो सिर्फ ये बोलने के लिए कैमरा उठाई थी कि मैं निकालूंगी कैसा. So yes, I recorded each and everything. So thank you so much for watching. So here you go, guys. As you can see, my lens has been applied and I feel so comfortable, and I'm so happy. If my sister is watching this video, thank you so much for this wonderful gift. I'm so obsessed with this, guys. As you can see my eye, it's totally different. I was thinking like it's just going to match up to my skin tone, but this looks like different. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next best video. Till then, stay tuned and stay blessed. If this video was being useful to you, do not forget to comment below and let me know your comments. And bye. Also, guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified as soon as I post my new video.